Welcome back to The Leftover Guys. I'm your host Kyo, and today we are 1 week away from Chinese New Year, and guess what we're making? Look at all these awesome, wonderful ingredients over here. Right, we've got some yearwood, fungus, some lily bulb, coriander, ginger, mushrooms, a bit of pork, tofu, more mushrooms, carrot. Chinese New Year, I guess a lot of people love shark's fin soup. But here at Leftover Guys, we just want to emphasize that we hate killing endangered animals. Today we are going to make some Suan La Tang, which translates to spicy sour soup, which is going to be awesome. It's going to be a great substitute for shark's fin soup. And without further ado, let's get cooking, man. We don't want to kill any sharks, because it's not going to be a happy Chinese New Year for the sharks if, you know, if the shark is dead. So I always think that, you know, we should refrain from eating like endangered species, you know. So next we're gonna slice the tofu, you know. I always say that, you know, we're gonna get like 1,000 views, and then the reality is, you know, we only get like 50 to 100 views. You know, I think people are just too busy, you know, they are just, you know, can't be bothered with YouTube. They have too much in their lives, and they can't be bothered, you know, to learn how to cook. I think matchsticks are good. You're gonna make matchsticks. Vinegar actually cleanses your system. Vinegar is good for you.
Yeah, how do you know that?
Because I read, important is the lily bulbs and the wood ear fungus. You gotta soak it in water, which I've done already in the morning. So that's very important. And for the lily bulbs, you gotta take out the two ends. There's the stem part, which I've already taken out. So that's very important. If not, you will have super difficult to eat lily bulbs. Then, you know, just slice it super thin. I got a pork loin. You know, just slice it up thinly as well. You can do a vegetarian style, or you can do a pork style, or chicken style. It's up to you. And right now I'm going to marinate the pork. Okay, just a bit of sesame oil, just a dash of soy sauce. I'm going to add in some corn flour mix. Corn flour is to help tenderize the meat. We're gonna add some sugar in, and then we're gonna give it a good mix. Next, I'm gonna grate some ginger into the pan once I heat it up. I think everything else is ready already. So I'm gonna start heating up a soup pot. Some sunflower oil, because it's healthy. You need some of that awesome smell. Wow, smells good, man. Okay, next I'm gonna add in the Sichuan peppers. Boom! You know? Whoa! Smells so good. Smells like China. Smells like China. That's good. We're gonna throw the pork in next, because you know meat takes quite a while to cook. Boom! There you go. Get infused with the flavors. Make a guess what's next, man. No, I can't even remember. Okay, we're gonna go with the mushrooms, man, because it's gonna take a while as well. So mushrooms in, boom. There you go. I'm gonna saute it for a while so that you get all the moisture out of the mushroom. Once your pork is cooked through, next we're gonna add some pork stock. Put some pork stock in. We're gonna add some more pork stock in. Alright, there you go. Boom, they go in. Fungus and the lily bulb go straight in, bang. Wow, look at that, man. Super nice. You got the yellow, you got the black, you got the pork, and wow, it's a good smell, man. A good mix. Bang, you know. Carrots, man, matchstick carrots. Took quite a while to chop them up. We got lots of nice color in there. That's awesome. I think we're gonna have to put a bit more stock in, but probably later on. We're just gonna make sure it cooks, it simmers first. Right, we're gonna cover the lid for a bit, and then we're gonna take a break. We're gonna take a break. So we're back from the break. Do remember to subscribe, and let's check out our soup. And it's boiling hot. That's very good. I'll give it just a quick stir. Oh, this smells so good, man. It smells like some Chinese kitchen in some part of China, which you probably don't want to go to. Yeah, we're gonna put some chili oil in next, man. I got so many oil and sauces. Oh, there you go. Alright, you get some of this la yu, which is Japanese chili oil. And we're gonna add some sour in there. We're gonna get some vinegar, which is your Xinjiang vinegar. Very awesome. Superb. Right, so this is gonna make it sour and spicy, man. We're gonna get some of that chili oil in. Bang, bang, bang. Depends on how spicy you want it to be. And then some of that awesome vinegar, man, goes in. Depends on how much you like it. So, oh damn, I'm gonna give it a good stir. Get some soy sauce. You ain't Chinese if you don't have your soy sauce. You need some of that beautiful miracle black sauce, the soy sauce. So almost done with the soup. And then we're gonna just quickly, prepare some of the garnish. Put some spring onions in, slice them at an angle so it looks nice and makes you look or seem professional when you're not. We're gonna break an egg. Oh shit! We don't have eggs. Behind. Huh? Oh shit, okay. Yeah, but we got eggs. We got Kinder eggs. Which egg will you add into the soup? Kinder egg. Alright, so let's crack an egg. Oh shit. Hey, I didn't break the yolk, man. Freaking awesome. Alright. Are we gonna use a fork or a whisk? Which would make us look more professional? Now I have a messy cupboard. I guess we'll go with the fork then. Can't find the whisk. And then bang! Fork is so much easier. Fork can tell. Slowly add that into the soup. And then you've got some. Then we're gonna stir the soup as well. Yeah, and then it's gonna slowly become like egg drop soup. I don't see the egg. I don't see the egg drop, man. It's there. Alright. So we're gonna thicken it up with a bit of cornstarch. So there you go, bang. Give it a good stir. Then that's going to thicken up the soup. Looks so delicious. Gonna try some of that soup, man. Not bad. If it's not salty enough, add more soy sauce. If you don't feel it's thick enough, add more cornstarch in. I just like this kind of consistency. I think it's good. Alright, so we're done with the soup. I had a taste test earlier. It is awesome. I'm going to have a taste test again just to confirm that it is suitable to my taste. And it is good. Yeah. Alright. That's now this delicious soup on a cold rainy day.
It's not raining.
It's not raining, man. Save it for some other day, man. Alright, so why? I should have been using this instead of this, but doesn't matter now. Alright, so we're gonna grab some of that delicious soup. Oh, look at that. Delicious. Some of that wonderful spring onion. Boom, boom, boom. And spice things up a bit. We got some of that coriander. Alright. And of course, soup goes with soup spoon. Alright, so this is the Sichuan soup, the spicy Suan La Tang that we made. So we're gonna give it a good mix. The fungus. Smells awesome and it's still piping hot. It's good. Well, it's not that spicy, but I like it. Very good substitute for shark's fin soup. Good. So we'll see you guys next week for more Leftover Guys action. Remember to subscribe, like us on Facebook and Instagram. Do follow us. We'll see you guys very soon once we hit the 1,000 mark. No, we haven't hit the 1,000 mark, but we will soon.